Okay, terminal knee extensions. You're gonna need to get a band that is moderate resistance, lower or higher, really depending on how it feels for you. If it's too easy, you might need a thicker band, or you're just gonna need to walk back more. Put your band at right about knee height on any structure that is not going to fall over. Take the band, you're gonna wrap it around your popliteus. Your popliteus is your knee pit, just like your elbow pit. So right behind the knee there, take a big step back until you feel some good resistance. And now you're just gonna send that knee forward and push it back. Now, when a lot of people are doing this exercise, they might ask, what the heck do I do with my other leg? That leg can be doing the same thing, or it can be out here just for balance. The working leg is the one that has the band on it. So just send that knee forward and push it back. Don't try to go crazy fast with this, just a controlled tempo and good range of motion. You're gonna feel the quad really getting recruited here. I feel it right in that teardrop, the vastus medialis. Well, there you go. That's a terminal knee extension, TKEs. I'll likely program anywhere between 10 to 20 reps. Do both legs.